Writing test instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits.
Let's review this sample answer for writing task 1. You can pause the video now if you want more time to read the email. First, notice how the email covers all three tasks from the prompt. It asks about times and the cost, explains the writer is a complete beginner, and inquires about what equipment is needed. Answering every point is essential for a good score. The email is also well organized. It uses a polite greeting, a clear opening sentence, and two body paragraphs that group the questions logically. This structure makes the message easy to read. The tone is semi-formal and respectful, which is perfect for writing to a community center. It ends with a standard closing like, "Best regards." To connect ideas, the writer uses simple transition words like, "firstly," "secondly," and "finally." The vocabulary is clear and uses common words. The writer also includes two excellent B2 level stretch words, "suitable" and "purchase." Using one or two slightly more advanced words correctly can help improve your score. Here is a simple tip to help you. Before you write, plan your email by listing a keyword for each bullet point, like schedule, beginner, and mat. This quick plan helps you stay organized and ensures you do not miss any required information. Let's analyze this sample response for task 2. Feel free to pause here if you need more time to read the answer. This response is effective because it clearly follows all instructions. It begins by stating a clear preference. I am writing to express my strong support for option A. Then, it provides two distinct reasons to support this choice. The first reason is that a gym would promote a healthier lifestyle, and the second is that it would improve social connections. Giving two well-explained reasons is key to a high score. The organization is excellent. The response has an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a short conclusion. Each body paragraph focuses on one main idea, making the argument easy to follow. The tone is persuasive and polite, which is suitable for a survey response. To connect ideas, the writer uses simple linking words like firstly and secondly. The vocabulary is straightforward and appropriate for this level. The writer also successfully includes 2 B2 level stretch words, promote and accessible. These words add precision to the argument without making it too complex. Here is a practical tip for you before you start writing. Spend 1 minute brainstorming 2 reasons for your chosen option. Writing down your 2 main ideas first will help you structure your response logically and ensure you have enough to write about. Now, let's break down this excellent response supporting option B. You can pause the video at any time if you'd like to review the text more closely. This answer succeeds because it directly addresses the prompt. It starts by clearly stating the choice. I am choosing option B, the community garden. It then supports this choice with 2 clear and well-developed reasons. The first reason is the valuable educational opportunity it provides. And the second is its power for community building. Covering both reasons in detail is crucial. The structure of the response is logical and easy to read. It has a clear introduction that states the main opinion, 2 separate body paragraphs that each explain one reason, and a strong concluding sentence. This organization makes the writer's argument very persuasive. The tone is polite and thoughtful. Notice the simple linking phrases like, my first reason is, and, furthermore, that guide the reader through the text. The vocabulary is clear, but the writer also includes 2 strong B2 level stretch words, valuable and fostering. Using slightly more advanced words correctly, like these, can make your response stand out.